Systems of linear equations, part 6. A customer in a coffee shop purchases a blend of 2 coffees, Kenyan costing $3.50 a pound and Sri Lankan costing $5.60 a pound. He buys 3 pounds of the blend, which costs him $11.55. How many pounds of each kind went into the mixture? Okay, so we'll organize our information in the chart. We have the Kenyan and we have the Sri Lankan, and then we have the mixture. Okay, so let's look at the price per pound. The Kenyan costs $3.50 a pound, so we'll fill that in here. And the Sri Lankan cost $5.60 a pound. And he buys 3 pounds of the blend, and the 3-pound blend costs him $11.55. Okay, so we're going to come back to that in a second. So then for pounds that we buy, how many pounds of each? We'll call X for the Kenyan, we'll call Y for the Sri Lankan. We know that X plus Y is 3 pounds. That's the total number of pounds that is bought. Okay, so 3 pounds of the blend, which costs him $11.55. So that's going to be the total. Okay, so what do we got so far? We've got X plus Y is equal to 3 pounds. We have $3.50 for each Kenyan pound. We have $5.60 for each Sri Lankan pound, and we know that that totaled to $11.55. Okay, so we've got pounds of Kenyan plus pounds of Sri Lankan, 3 pounds total. The cost, $3.50 for each pound of the Kenyan, $5.60 for each pound of the Sri Lankan, and we know that the 3 pounds cost him $11.55 total. We have a systems of equations that we can either solve by hand or, much better, use our graphing calculator. Let's get our system in our calculator. Our REF is going to be much faster than doing a hand solution. Okay, so we're going to say second matrix edit. We'll go ahead and it's highlighted with matrix A, and that's good. We have 2 equations and 2 rows, 3 columns. The X column, the Y column, and remember the other side of the equal sign column. Equation 1 is 1, 1, 3. Equation 2 is 3.5, 5.6, and 11.55. Okay, so we'll go back to our home screen. Remember, a second matrix A shows us what we typed in. Make sure that we typed in everything correctly. Looks good. So then we go to second matrix math. We go up arrow to second matrix math. Sorry about that. Up arrow to our REF. We're going to row reduce echelon form. Trying to get that diagonal of a 1, zeros everywhere else. We're going to try to RREF matrix A. Okay, so after we RRF, we want to make sure we remember what each of these mean. This is the X column, the Y column, this is our equal sign, and the constant to the right of the equal sign. Okay, so what does this row tell us? 1x plus 0y equals 2.5, or x equals 2.5. 0x plus 1y, or y equals 0.5. Okay, so x was the pounds of Kenyan, so we're looking at 2.5 pounds of the Kenyan coffee. Y was the pounds of the Sri Lankan, so we're going to say 0.5 pounds of the Sri Lankan, And there's our solution.